It's a decent fish.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Buddy Isaiah caught himself a green sunfish out of the creek today. He's super excited because the last time he went fishing, he got skunked. Didn't get nothing.
Yeah, dude.
First fish ever?
Yeah, bro.
It's first fish ever. First fish he has ever caught.
That's a little fat guy.
It's kind of hard to see with where he's at and where I'm at, but
Huh?
very good, man. Very good. I got the little tiny fella today. Look, I caught it.
Please chunk him.
I caught that little tiny fish. He's like itty bitty bitty bitty. Got some pretty colors though. I like the orange. He's got orange on his fins, and then he's got the blue lines. I like it. It's a very pretty fish. He's gonna grow up to be beautiful. All right, got us another one, folks. He's got some pretty orange on his fins as well. Now that the water's starting to warm back up, these fish are starting to get their color back, starting to look real good. It's been a pretty slow day out here, sadly. We haven't had a whole lot of luck, but we're gonna keep trying. We got a couple hours till dark, so hopefully we can get everybody to catch something. Isaiah caught his first fish ever today. I've caught a couple, and then Garrett, he's retying right now, but we're gonna try and get him on a fish before we leave today. All right, folks, like I said, we're gonna get Garrett on a fish before we leave today. About 5 minutes later, he's on a fish. Decent one too. Looky there. Very nice. Good fish, bud. Very good. Heck yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Get me a largemouth out here.
Mine's bigger.
That's not true.
Yeah, look at it. It's way bigger.
Oh yeah, Garrett got the elusive stickfish. It's a big old stickfish too.
Yeah, and I'm taking it to the museum.
Isaiah has never done the fishing stuff before, so he's wanting to look at it and feel of the fish. But
Touch it.
there he is.
Kiss it, Isaiah?
It's pretty good little largie right there.
You gotta kiss it, Isaiah.
Oh yeah. No, you're not gonna kiss him?
I'm gonna touch his eye.
Okay, well, leave his eye alone.
Yeah, let's fuck his back up.
His back is fine. All right, Garrett got himself another one.
Hey, you better stop being so feisty.
It's a pretty good one too. Bigger than the fish I've been catching. Very nice.
He's got a really pretty belly.
Yeah, those bright orange colors, they look very nice. Ooh, pretty sure that was a bite. I wish I could get down there, but I feel like the ground is going to be really mushy. Yeah. Yeah.
You talking to me later?
Yeah, exactly. I'm talking to Garrett in the future because he watches all my videos that I post. And he's in this one, so he's definitely going to be watching it.
Yeah, I want to look at my fat tits.
Oh my god.
Sorry, my bad. I want to look at my form.
You know, I guess I should have... Yeah, buddy. Got me another one. I just had one on a second ago and he came off. It's a pretty chunky one too. It's a good one. Here comes Isaiah. Wanted to see the fish. It's pretty funny. Ooh, crispy. Well, there's the fish. He got nice orange on his fins. Beautiful blue lines. I love it. Can I hold it?
Okay. I messed up.
Other way. Grab the bottom lip and then support the tail with your other hand.
Okay, I messed up.
Where are you at?
Bite.
What are you doing? Put this hand underneath him and then hold him up. Why are you making things so
do you mean?
difficult? Did you not see how I was just holding him? So put this hand on the other side of him, like this, like you're gonna pick him up.
You're allowed to touch it.
I know.
You don't have to squeeze him so hard.
No.
Literally, just kind of grab a hold of him like this and just hold him up. Okay, that's good enough. You can toss him back, bud. Where are you at?
I don't know.
Oh my. All right. Oh, Garrett got himself another one. He's finally got on him over here. He's caught up to me with a mount, but all of his have been pretty chunky, pretty good sized fish. There you go, bud. Toss her back. Very nice. Isaiah is doing something, I think. He's got his line up in a tree, trying to make the lure look like a bug on top of the water. See if something will bite at it, but it ain't happening. You might just go ahead and pull it back in, man, and start casting back out, see if something happens like that. We don't have a whole lot of time left, so there you go. Good enough. Oi.
One more now.
Wait. Oh, well, I just caught a bass, got him all the way up to the bank here, and then he came off. And now my lure is in a dang bush. It's been a hot minute since we've caught anything over here. We've had a few bites, but just haven't been able to hook anything. And now I am full of sadness. I can't even see how to fix these. There we go, I fixed it, haha. And now Garrett has come and taken my spot.
I thought you were gonna be a little longer.
Getting real tired of this. I ain't never bringing nobody out here to fish with me again. Keep taking my fishing spots. Isaiah's done that to me like 3 times.
Well, give me some grace. This is the first time.
Well, that's true. This is the first time Garrett's done it.
And if I recall correctly, you came up when I was fixing my stuff and hooked one.
Oh yeah, I did do that. Did do that.
So I don't think we can gripe about that.
I can.
I think you can.
Different palettes.
Definitely different thoughts.
Oh, that was not great. Oh no. Oh, hey, it came out though. It was a great cast, but not into a great spot. I threw off into the roots of that tree over there. Well, it's getting to be about time for us to start heading out, so I think we're gonna start making our way back. We're gonna try and fish on the way out a little bit and then call it a day after that. Yeah, buddy. It's your boy back at it with the tiny fish. Look at that little fella. Isn't he a cute little fella? Very nice. We're slowly working our way out. We've moved back to the little section over here again. My goodness.
We got a bagfish.
Very nice.
Here goes bagfish.
So great. I love it. I love that. Love that that is in the creek. I love it so much.
Be sure not to put it back in. Save that for later.
Isaiah has decided to move on back to the spot where he caught his first ever fish. He is he's hooked on fishing now, pun intended, but and he is going to be forever chasing the high of the first fish he ever caught. So he's going back to where he first caught that fish, and he's gonna try and catch another one over there. It's a little sad because I'm not over there with him to get it on camera, but I'm sure he'll pull his phone out and start hooping and hollering like he did earlier. Oh my gosh. Garrett got himself a bass too. Look at that. It fell off the hook and he like dived into the water basically to grab it.
You see, I got a little bit on me.
Very nice, bud.
Let's get some of the stuff off you. You got stuff all over you.
It's a decent fish.
Yeah, he is.
Decent.
Are
I
you
like
recording?
it. Uh-huh.
Yeah, you are. Well, thank you, Bubba. Appreciate you.
Very nice. Where'd you throw for that?
Right over here.
Nice.
Brushes.
See, I was throwing over there earlier and I didn't get nothing, man.
This is the last second kind of thing.
Yeah. Well, here pretty soon we're gonna have to go catch Isaiah and make sure he's okay by himself over there. Hey, just got one though. Yep, yeah, there he is. Yeah. It's a decent one, I'll take him. Ooh, so feisty. Calm down, fella. Get him off this hook. Boom. Second or third, maybe, I don't remember.
From walking back over here.
Yes. Yeah, since we've walked back this way, I've caught two. Pretty good. Decent little fish. I'll take it. I'll just throw back over there, see if I can't get another one. Ooh, I felt that. Had a bite. Problem with this little spot is about halfway, it literally kind of goes at an angle this way. So on that side is the deepest point. And then as you come back this way, it gets super shallow. So it's really weird fishing this little section of the creek. Ooh, come on. Got me another itty bitty little one. He's a tiny little fella. He might be a little smaller than that one I caught earlier that was itty bitty. Well, I'd say it's been a pretty good day actually out here at the creek. It started off a little slow, but it definitely picked up. I mean, I caught, what, 2 bass and then quite a few green sunfish. You've caught a bass?
Caught 2.
You've caught 2? Mm-hmm. I might have only caught 1 then. I just know there's been like 2 or 3 bass total that have been caught.
That was my second bass. He was a big one. The first one was a little one. And then I caught 3 sunfish.
Yeah.
Well, I know I caught 2 over there. I caught 1 right here.
And then we got Isaiah on his first fish ever, which is pretty cool. I'm glad that I got to be a part of that. He was super excited.
Good day. I think in we probably clipped 11 fish, 12 fish.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd say that's probably pretty
13,
close.
including Isaiah's.
Maybe 11 or 12 fish total, maybe 13. I could believe that.
Battery this time?
Nope, that was my phone being weird.
Oh.
Well, I'm gonna reel this one in, and then I think we're gonna go try and catch up with Isaiah.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Good.
Hopefully he's okay over there by his little lonesome. But
Poor little guy.
so far, hadn't been bad. Unfortunately, I have got mud all over my boots now.
My
Which-
covered in mud.
Yeah, both me and Garrett have mud like all over us.
Price of having a good time.
That's right. It's the price of fishing. Every once in a while, you got to get a little mud on you. All right, well, we're gonna head to meet up with Isaiah and maybe do a little more fishing. It's starting to get dark, so we don't have much time left, but we'll see what happens with it.
Is that no, it's a sunfish.
It's a green sunfish. Got another one. I don't really know how or why or even when or where. This one kind of spooked me. I was literally pulling my lure back up out of the water right here below me, and then I went to pull up and I thought I got hung up on something because it stopped moving. And come to find out, this tiny little fella, he's bigger than the last one I caught though. This tiny little fella came in and took a bite. Isaiah is just right over there behind them trees, and he has not caught anything while he's been over here. Unfortunately, he's probably been over here by himself for 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, and he hasn't caught nothing, sadly. I'm a little sad for him. He's caught what, 1, 2? He caught his first fish ever, and that's been the only one. I feel kind of bad for him, but that's kind of how it goes when you've never really fished before, you know. You got to learn, you got to get some practice at it, and especially when it's a new place that you've never fished. You got to figure out what the fish like and where they like to hide, and it takes time. It's definitely not a overnight and you're amazing at fishing thing, you know. We'll see if we can't get him on one more fish before we leave. Hopefully we can get him on at least one more. That'd be kind of nice for him to catch one more fish. Well, Garrett caught another one over here. This is his second one since he walked away from us. And I
Look how sad he is.
got a face full of dirt just a second ago. I took a big old tumble.
I get all the time about that shit too, though. I'm gonna give you a hard time no matter what.
Right, Isaiah on his second fish ever. Not quite as big as the first. Was the high as good this time?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, all right.
The high goes away when you don't catch anything.
Yeah.
You're like, why am I even out here? Hey, you took it off. What are you doing?
Hang on a second.
He's purple.
That's a bluegill. Look at you catching the first bluegill. Told you they were getting feisty. He got some pretty colors on him.
Wow, look at that.
It's hard to tell, but he's got like some purpley colors to him. It's a nice looking fish. Let's get him back in the water. Get out of here.
Oh.
I guess that's better than just
You
throwing him
tried.
up into the air.
You tried. That's way better than not.
Heck yeah. That was all Isaiah wanted, was one more. And now, guarantee, he's gonna want one more because that's just how it goes. Well, it is getting to be dark, so we're probably going to go ahead and make our way out and call it a day. But we had a good time, had some good fish. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed, and we will see you on the next adventure.